So recently, images leaked of the Supreme Balenciaga collaboration and everything that was supposed to release, and I'm gonna go ahead and talk about it with y'all. Today we back in the stew with another banger. If y'all doing up enjoying this one, make sure y'all leave a like on it, subscribe to the channel, and let me know what other type of content y'all would like to see coming up, because we've been going crazy with the consistency lately. Check out some of my previous videos as well. Before we get into this video, make sure y'all sign up for my brand Nori. All you gotta do is go on onenori.co, put your email in, because real soon we gonna be dropping. But let's get straight to it. First things first, let's go over some of the pieces that we're supposed to release. Right here we got this model with the Balenciaga box logo hoodie. It's basically like this super oversized hoodie. Y'all can see this shit is literally draping down. Balenciaga in the Supreme box logo format. I think people would have went crazy for this one. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. For me, it's not one of those pieces that I really care about too much. Prices probably would have went OD on these as well. Probably would have been one of the standout pieces, but I'm honestly good on it. We also do got this camp cap, almost like a dad hat. Does have a Supreme box logo on a Balenciaga blank. Y'all could basically see it because it has that OD curved brim on it. For me, once again, it's nothing too crazy, so I probably would have skipped on everything I've seen so far. You got the Supreme slippers at the bottom. Bro definitely wasn't playing with them garbage bag slippers on. Honestly, Supreme has dropped some slippers with the same format on it in the past. I see why they did it. Balenciaga normally does like irony in their pieces, so I guess, you feel me, Supreme bag from back in the day, the ones that they low-key canceled, it goes with Balenciaga, you feel me? Probably an actual tote, it's whatever. Second up, we had this jacket right here that had the Supreme box logo on the top. It was almost like this military camo vibe, and once again, y'all see the oversized theme going throughout this whole collaboration. Homie got a black Supreme bag as an actual bag, bro. I don't know where you going with these shits, but I'm kind of glad it got canceled. I'm not gonna lie, bro. Like, what the fuck is going on? You got this big bubble jacket, which is Balenciaga to the core. You got the flappy ass OD oversized pants that we're supposed to release with the same slippers that we saw in red, but this time in white. It's kind of whatever in my opinion. Once again, you got that Supreme box logo on what looks like a Balenciaga blank because it's hella oversized. Honestly, this whole collab was kind of mid in my opinion, so I'm not mad that it didn't drop. Retail probably would have been crazy. Like, it's just not worth it, bro. This oversized ass Balenciaga almost looks like it has a sticker stuck on the front of it, like one of these bitches stuck on a shirt. Tell me nah, bro. That shit is mad waxy. It just looks like some poor ass quality. I honestly want to know what you guys' opinion is in the comments. This belt that homie's wearing, book bag, there's actually a lot of pieces, but in my opinion, nothing is a banger as of yet. You got these baggy ass pants that have Supreme Balenciaga on them. Again, it's ass. The thank you bag, bro, like, come on. Imagine paying $1,000 for that shit. Tripping for real. You got this torn sleeve button up. I know y'all see what I'm seeing, bro. Like, people actually would have went for this shit. And first of all, what in the bro, his head pointy as shit at the top. You know his doctor forgot to mold his shit. I know I got a big ass head or whatever, but bro, put a beanie on, please, bruh. Give me his fucking P.O. box. I'll send him a free beanie, bruh. Beanie Nori in the chat. This is OD. Like, I don't know if the glasses save him. It's going outside, bruh. Like, low-key, his head is way too big for existence, bruh. Next up, we got this picture right here. Homie got the crazy cowboy boots on, bruh. Like, peep the boots, bruh. I'm gonna talk about the fit, but first of all, peep the fucking boots, bruh. This is the definition of I'ma put a foot in your ass, bruh. Like, this is the end of existence. Like, bruh, who the fuck is buying boots like these? And throwing it with a fit at that? Like, bro need to relax. Like, he need to relax, bruh. Take it down a notch. Like, low-key, you know your toes ain't reaching the front. Cut the fucking front off and make this shit a drop top. Like, you wildin', bro. Like, this is crazy. Low-key, them boots got me tight, bruh. New York Supreme jacket, Balenciaga on the side. You know that jacket was gonna cost $2,000. And he got the fucking crop top zip up. I'm done, bro. Bro got a whole crop top velvet zip up, bro. What in the baby is going on right here? Like, stop. Just fucking stop, son. This dude right here looking like OG Luke Mook from round 2 back when they used to do the vlogs and shit. But dude, once again, they literally took this and put it on a Balenciaga blank, then fucking dragged the shirt on the floor like crazy, bro. People were dead ass gonna buy this shit too. Couple people asked me what happened with this. I'm assuming some people would have tried to buy this shit, but for me, bro, this is a big ass disappointment. It's literally a purse homie's holding. Like, Peep the fucking boots, bruh. Peep the boots, bruh. I'm gonna have to crop this picture out so y'all can see the boots, bruh. Cause this is beyond me, bro. Like, dead ass, what in the fuck? I need to check with some zeros on it to wear some boots like these. I'm not gonna lie, bro. These bitches go all the way to the hit. You're bugging, like you're dead ass bugging. I'm glad Supreme canceled this shit. This vest is actually probably the best shit I've seen so far. That oversized vest. He got stockings on his arms, like shit's just crazy. This jacket actually go kind of hard, but the military jacket, oversized, almost looks like it has a leather feeling to it. That's actually clean, you feel me? Big ass oversized hoodie, or that's a crop hoodie with the long shirt under. I don't even know. You got these pants, which once again are just baggy as fuck with Supreme on the side. Nothing too special in my opinion. I really want to know what you guys' opinion is on the collection as a whole. For me, bruh, it's a dub. I'm not gonna lie. Bunch of just ass pieces. Like when Supreme did Supreme LV, it was thought out. It was really nice. The quality was on point. Everything was on point. But when you come to Balenciaga, just get them out of here, bro. I honestly was never the biggest fan of Balenciaga, and when they did the BDSM shit that got them canceled, quote unquote, it just took it over the edge for me. I feel like a lot of celebrities are still supporting Balenciaga, which is kind of beyond me, and it goes to show where mainstream media or social media, depending on who you're watching, is trying to take us as a community. It's kind of a disgrace in my opinion. I was talking about this on my live yesterday, and it's on some shit where like, why do they want to cause so much destruction, input fear and hate into people? Like, honestly, bro, this shit is crazy. The fact that 460k children are going missing a year and people are still rocking a brand that literally blatantly is supporting that shit, like, I don't understand, bro. Some of your favorite celebrities are doing it. People that don't even consider people who have lost their children, like, bro, come on, for real, bro. Like, I can't support a brand that does that, so I'm kind of giving Supreme props for stepping away from this shit as they should have, because I don't feel like nobody should collab with Balenciaga. And it's crazy because I feel like if you spend all your hard-earned money on it, I guess whatever, you feel me, but there's people still going to buy these shits. Like in store today, Balenciaga has customers type shit, and it's crazy, bro. I honestly want to know what you guys think and how you feel about that whole situation. I can't really talk about it too much on here because I literally will probably get my video demonetized, but I'm pretty sure you guys have heard at this point. It's been a couple months. The shit that they were doing in those ads, basically putting shit on kids that shouldn't be on kids, should be on adults, and promoting it is kind of like desensitizing humanity, bro. I'm sorry for the big words and shit, but it's just how I feel, bro. I'm on some woke nori shit, and I just can't accept the fact that they're trying to push that onto our culture and normalize it. There's a lot of things that I don't agree with, and honestly, I'm kind of scared to touch on it on my channel because I feel like a lot of people are either here or they're there. But this Balenciaga shit is one of those things that I feel like if you're not supporting the cancel Balenciaga train, you're bugging, bro. Like, you're dead ass bugging. Like, I don't understand, bro. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. And the crazy part is there's a bunch of other luxury brands that are probably doing the same shit behind the scenes, you feel me, that we don't even see, but Balenciaga is trying to push that envelope. And if you really think about it, they're using celebrities to push Balenciaga more into the mainstream. They're still doing it, bro. You see Offset, Cardi B's, fucking a lot of celebrities. I could be here for days, bro. Justin Bieber, bro, a lot of them are still supporting that shit. So I just need you to peel your eyes a little bit and kind of try to see more further into it. I know it might sound crazy, bro, but some of those celebs' morality and morals are compromised because they wanted the fame and they wanted the money, they wanted the success, or whatever it is. At the end of the day, they have to push whatever the people doing this with the strings behind the screens want us to live through. You get what I'm saying? Like, there's way more shit going on in this world that we don't even see, can't be a part of. Ever since I embarked on this woke journey, I kind of started seeing the world differently. I started kind of enjoying life more so in the moment because we don't know how much time we have left because of these people behind those curtains pulling the strings and doing crazy shit, buying the farmland, destroying the eggs. Now eggs are expensive, like starting a war against each other. There's so much shit that we just don't get to see, but I'm not really gonna talk about it in this video. If that's something y'all would like to see, let me know in the comments because I have a bunch of shit that I could discuss with y'all. If you are into that, let me know. Hey, at the end of the day, we're here for the Supreme Balenciaga. I'm glad Supreme canceled that collaboration. Don't hate me for it, but that's just how I feel, you feel me? I came here to be genuine with y'all, and it is what it is. I feel like all of those pieces were a miss in my opinion. The only jacket that I really liked was like that military style bomber jacket. I thought that one was pretty cool, but honestly, retail on that shit was probably gonna be $2,000+, and we know I'm not spending that shit on a fucking jacket, especially being Balenciaga. But with all that being said, man, leave a like on this video if you enjoyed, subscribe to the channel, and let me know what else y'all would like to see coming soon. Any video ideas that you guys have, or just anything you want to see in general, let me know in the comments. Brand content is coming soon. Make sure you sign up with your email for Nori, because we're almost there, bro. We need like 10 more people, and I'm gonna film my video on how I started my brand, reason I started my brand, and all that. If you guys support me, please go ahead and support this. It means the world to me. I've been trying to start my brand for ever so long, and I'm excited to finally be doing it. But with all that being said, I hope y'all have a great rest of your day. Spend some time with your loved ones, because we don't know how much time we have left on this earth. And shit, man, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Leave a like, subscribe, leave a like, subscribe, leave a like. It's free, bro. Leave a like, it's free, bro. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.